Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so as well. I love talking to you guys on there. After my last What's New at Ikea, so many of you guys DM'd me on Instagram and were like, can you please do a part 2? So we're doing another What's New at Ikea. If you guys didn't know, the beginning of the year, kind of like January through April is when they get a ton of new stuff. They prep for their spring decor. They're getting just like a ton of new pieces and they have so much great stuff. So I can't wait to share those with you in today's video. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, we can just jump right into it. Okay, so the first new arrival that I saw were these metal plant stands. Now I personally love these. They're great to use as a plant stand. If you're looking for a nightstand option that is way more affordable, nightstands just can get really tricky in my opinion. They're super expensive and you sometimes want to have 2 of them. So this is a great option because they're only $24.99. They're metal, they have like a really nice minimal look to them, and I think they would look great actually as a pair of nightstands. So definitely an option to pick up. Again, they're metal, so they're gonna be a little bit more sturdy. And if this color doesn't work for you, you can easily spray paint any of Ikea's pieces just to kind of make it work for your space. Next thing that I saw is this dining set. You get the table and the 4 chairs for $99, which I thought was a really great deal. And one thing that like I definitely made a mistake on is when you're first moving out of the house, like and getting your first place in your first apartment, I do not recommend like splurging on any pieces. I would definitely recommend sticking to like more affordable pieces, just because when you're out on your own for the first time, you're really like discovering yourself, discovering your style, and it's not a good idea to like spend a ton of money on different things. So this is a great option. It is super affordable to get all 4 chairs and the table, and you can do so many things with it. Like right off the bat, I'm like, okay, you can add some marble contact paper to the top. You have an affordable marble look for less. Or you can take some macrame and kind of weave it through the holes on the chairs. Like there's a bunch of different options that you can do to this piece to like make it super cute, but if you're definitely on a budget and you're looking for a set, definitely wouldn't shy away from something like this. All right, since it is the new year, I'm all about like organization, getting things like set up and put together. I cannot wait to share with you guys some of the room tours that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this year. One thing that I've really been focusing on though is organization and getting things like put away into their proper place. And these Sage storage boxes are perfect. I love Ikea for storage and organizational pieces, but I specifically love these because I like using these under my bed, and I did go ahead and get clear ones, and you can totally see everything that is in the clear ones. So I would definitely recommend going with an option like this. That way you can put all your stuff in it you're trying to store, put it under your bed, and it isn't see-through. It has like a really pretty color, so it doesn't look as bad underneath your bed. Definitely would go for these. I'm gonna pick a few up just so I can switch them out for the clear bins because they definitely don't look that great under the bed. One of the things that I love Ikea for is their faux plants. I think they are always done so well and they're at a really good price point. This one is only $1.29. You cannot go wrong with this. I like to even go in there and buy a few of these because for the price that they're great. You can add them into like a really nice ceramic planter and immediately they look more expensive than they were. Just a really great option if you have like animals or pets and you're just like not a plant person, you don't have the time to dedicate to real plants. Definitely pick up something like this from Ikea and it will give you that like plant vibe without being real. All right, next up is this console. I noticed that they added it in a new color. If you guys have watched my channel for a while, I like turned this console into like a bar cart. Super fun and cool. If I remember, I will link that down below, or if you guys want the link, just let me know in the comments down below, or you can always message me on Instagram and get the link. I can send it to you over there. But this is just a really great piece. It would make a really nice console. To me, this is kind of like similar to what's in the back. It's a sleek, simple, minimal console, but you're definitely getting that look for less. I love this piece, and they actually have it new in this like darker color, which I think would be a good option as well. Again, another piece you can always like spray paint it black or white and it would look amazing. All right, this is probably one of my favorite pieces from Ikea, and that is the iBar. And they actually came out with it with these sliding doors. So I personally have them where it's like a cupboard and they open up with the 2 doors. I did an Ikea hack with these before. They're just a great piece, but once I saw this one where the doors slide across, I thought it would be another great option. I know it's like bare wood, but again, this is a piece you can get for a really good price point. The wood on this is pretty solid and sturdy, and you can like paint it any color. You can stain the wood a certain color. You can just kind of like do so much with it. You can add legs to it. Just a good, fun piece to like have and just kind of like mess around with. You can do so many DIYs with it. I love it. Speaking of their faux plants, I saw this faux olive tree and I immediately was like, oh my gosh, why did they not have this like 2 or 3 years ago? If you guys don't remember, I like totally splurged and I got the Pottery Barn olive tree. I don't regret it. It's still huge. It's like a beautiful, good piece. However, this option for $49 to me is so much better. It definitely doesn't break the bank like that tree did that I got. Such a great option. Again, put it in a fun little planter and you are good to go. I love the look of olive trees within the home. All right, this cushion cover that is literally under $12 is beautiful. It immediately screamed Anthropologie to me. It has that really nice like woven detailing on it. Again, the fact that this is under $12, let alone under 20 bucks, to me is such a steal. It's a perfect option for any sofa. I feel like I need to get 2 of these for my sofa because they kind of like match the like neutral vibe that I'm going for, but those are amazing, and then you can always get the fillers from somewhere else. I love the Ikea ones. They're still super comfortable, but sometimes I like to kind of get like a nicer fill to go inside just so they're super comfy. All right, next they came out with this utility cart. This thing is so cute. I was just like thinking of so many different things you could use this for. You could use it as a bar cart. You could use it as extra storage in your kitchen. You could even use this if you have a really small entryway and you just like don't have that much space. I love this piece. I think it's a great addition to the Ikea collection. I think it's such a great piece. You can even use it for like extra storage in your bedroom. Like you can use this for so many different things. I think it's like a really versatile piece, so I'm happy that they have that available now. Next up is this bowl, and I absolutely love it. They actually have a matching dish, so it's kind of like a set, but the bowl I immediately fell in love with. Again, Anthropologie vibes, but definitely for way cheaper. Ikea is a really great place actually to look for plates and stuff like that. They have some really great quality stuff. Also, a lot of their stuff, you can put it in the dishwasher. A lot of it is dishwasher safe, but just make sure to check that out first. But great place to get like dinnerware and glassware. And I forgot to mention that that bowl is literally only $1.49, so you can get an entire set of them for super cheap. Ikea has definitely been stepping it up this past few years with their rug selection. Before, all you could get from there was just like that like cheap plastic-y version of like a rug. Now they have like really nice like woven good quality rugs. Some of them are even wool. This one is so beautiful. I love the color on it. It's very unique. You definitely get just like a higher quality look with these, but they still aren't super expensive because you're still purchasing from Ikea. All right, the Calyx is always gonna be one of my favorite Ikea pieces. I have owned this personally myself, and I am so happy that they now offer it with the legs already put on it. You can go ahead and obviously buy the original one and add legs to it, but keep in mind, these are not real wood pieces. So sometimes when you're trying to attach things like legs to them, it can go wrong really quickly. So I'm happy that they finally added that to them. I love this piece. A great option if you're just moving out for the first time or you don't want to spend that much money. Use this as a TV console with the storage underneath. Use this in your bedroom. You can get the little drawer pullouts for it and you can store your clothes in it. Like I've used it so many different ways. I just will always love this piece from Ikea. You can totally dress it up and make it look super expensive too. All right, next up is this cute little striped cushion cover. I just thought that this would be cute for the upcoming spring season if you want to switch things up. For me, when it comes to the different seasons, I do something super affordable to switch things up. I don't like spending a lot of money for anything seasonal. So something as simple as buying 2 of these and adding them to my couch just to kind of switch things up for the next season is perfect. So I thought these would be a great option to do that from Ikea. All right, I have a love-hate relationship with this next product. This is their speaker that they do. These are beautiful. They sound amazing. This one in particular just looks so cool to me. However, I did own one of these and I took it home, and you do have to use it through the Sonos app. I'm not sure if it's still like this, but you had to like import your music to the Sonos app. It just got really complicated. I really wish you could just use this lamp to stream music directly from your phone, but they did make you use that app. If that doesn't annoy you, then this is perfect, but it just kind of got on my nerves. However, the sound quality is really good. So if you can get over that like little issue and you don't mind adding another app to your phone, definitely check this out because it's a light and a speaker and it just looks so cool. All right, next up is this chair. They added a new color, but these have been on my wish list for quite some time. I really want a black set of these and I wanted them for outdoors. I just didn't really want to spend that kind of money on them. They are still a little pricey in my opinion for what they are. They're kind of just like a plastic chair. However, they looked so cool. I love the look of them. So I think eventually I will splurge and spend a little bit more money on them. Sometimes I don't like to spend that much money on Ikea pieces, but these in particular, I've always liked them, and they came out with them in this like beautiful red color. And I just think they are so cool. So if you're in the market, if they're within budget, definitely pick those up. This new TV console that they came out with is absolutely genius, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. I love my TV console, but to use the stuff that's within the console, you have to have the doors open, and it just kind of gets a little bit annoying. But they made this console that whatever you put in the center, you can actually use your remote with the door closed. Like Ikea is so genius for this. So you have this like sleek, beautiful console that you can keep all the doors closed and still use your TV, use any transponders or any video games, whatever you keep in the console while it is closed. I think that is so cool. And then it also has this like cord organization feature on it. Like this is an amazing piece. I think it's super cool. So definitely pick it up if you are in the market for a TV console. All right, next up is this decorative dish. And this is now on my must-haves list because this is literally perfect for my room. I love it. It's just like a simple catch-all dish. Also, what you can use it for is to put a candle on top of it. You should never have your candles like directly on your furniture. I'm sure you guys already know that, but you should always have something under it, and this is just like a good option for that. Again, I love the little marketplace area of Ikea. I always find little fun things like this, but this one is definitely one that I would not pass up. All right, and then speaking of candle dishes, they actually came out with a new candle dish that I just thought, again, perfect option. Something that is definitely a must-have that when you're at Ikea, you should pick up. I just like having a few of these around because I have a candle burning right now and I just like have a coaster under it. I like having things like really easy that I can grab to put underneath a candle because I do pretty much always have some sort of candle burning. So this candle dish is super cute. And again, it's like under $6. It's perfect. All right, and lastly, I definitely wanted to mention these little leather pulls. If you guys didn't remember, I did a DIY. They've always had these like little leather pulls, but they only had them in like this light beige color. So I actually soaked mine in black fabric dye to get them to turn black for a DIY Ikea hack I did a couple months back, but this is now an available option. So you don't have to do that anymore. They make them in black now, which I'm so happy about. Here you guys are seeing it on the Besta, but again, switching out these little like knobs on the Ikea pieces truly does make everything look way more expensive. Just kind of elevates the look of a lot of the Ikea pieces. So happy that they carry those now. All right, so those were the items that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, as always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.